Hi, welcome to your e-bike operational video. Come over, let me show you how these bikes work. So these bikes are what's referred to as pedal assist, which means as you turn the pedals, that engages the motor that's there in the crank, and that'll give you your propulsion. We turn the bikes on here, bottom left of the display. You'll notice we've got a full battery indicator, and you control how much power the bike gives you with the plus and the minus on your left thumb. Less power with the minus and most power all the way up to the top on the display here showing turbo. And you combine the power setting with gears changing here on the right hand side. You're twisting the gear selector forward for your low gears, and that indicator will show you here on the front that you're going up the hill and back towards you for your low gears. Most important is that you stop pedaling for a second, change gears, and then carry on pedaling. So very effective brakes, right brake on the back, and we are always recommending that you just engage both brakes nice and gently together to come to a good controlled stop. The bikes have daytime running lights on all the time, front and back. Let me just show you how the lock works. There is a chain in the saddlebag. Whenever you're leaving the bike out of sight, very important that you attach it to something fixed. So this chain will loop around a fixed item, and it just plugs into that integrated lock on the back wheel. So that's secure. You've got a key that you picked up from reception, and the key goes into the other side of the lock, twist, and that releases the chain. Then you can put that chain back in the saddle pouch. To adjust the height of your saddle, very important that you are not riding with the seat too high, but you can adjust it up and down and then close the quick release to get your exact saddle height. I've got a helmet, also in large or medium, and there's a bell. Enjoy your ride.